Good afternoon, everyone. We are Group A, and our topic is summarizing and research findings. The topic example: preferred mode of transportation of senior high school student. Number 1, summarizing findings. Definition: summarizing findings. Summarizing findings kay mao ang process nga i-present nato ang result in a short and clear way. Dili kinahanglan og taas, dapat mag-focus lang sa pinaka-important nga main points nya. Definition: summarizing findings is the process of representing the result in a clear and believed manner, focusing only on the most important points. Example kay example ni kay example sa survey kay 45% nga student prefer riding jeepney ug 30% prefer talking tricycle, 10% riding a bus, 10% walking or biking.
Second, presenting findings narratively. Sunod kay presenting findings narratively. Kung narrative presentation, atong explain ang result in sentence from dili lang numbers pero klaro ang explanation nga masabotan dayon. For example, the findings show that nearly half of the students prefer to ride jeepney when talking to school. Tricycle are the second most choose mode of transportation, while a similar percentage of students rely on buses. Only a few students walk or use bicycle as their main way of going to school. So, for example, mao niya ang asang mga keeper nga example. The finding show that several half the students prepare to ride jeepney when traveling to school. Recycle are the second most used mode of the transportation, while a similar percentage of students rarely always only a few students walk or vehicle bicycles as there are remaining way.
Number 3, presenting findings visually graphically. Definition: visual or graphic representation use diagram, tables, or charts to make the result easier to see and compare to at a glance. So, lastly, ato ang sigutan ang presenting findings visually or graphically. Kini ang method kay gamit og ma-compare ang data, mas klaro siya tan-awon kaysa sa word lang. For example, pwede na to gamiton ang P-chart nga makita dayon nga ang jeepney ang pinakadako nga version. Sunod ang tricycle kani 30%. Sunod ang tricycle niya, then bus niya, then walking or biking. For example, pwede po ang bar graph. Pwede po ang bar graph nga magpakita sa comparison og upat nga transportation models